we have created a modern hub for innovation in the heart of Manama. Here we will bring together the community to be inspired, to learn, to grow, to ideate, collaborate and accelerate. Brinc Batelco IoT Hub.
Brinc worked really close with Batelco to create this amazing space. We believe that creativity and innovation can't be harvested in silos. You need to have the right space to get everyone together from the community and the ecosystem to collaborate and push that innovation forward.
For Batelco, Brinc is a perfect partner to establish this strategic relationship and be able to really excel in providing our customers with our total digital solutions.
Here you will find entrepreneurs, Batelco team members, students, executives, business mentors, startups, dreamers, innovators, and pioneers. The Internet of Things is the network of physical devices or objects embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and connectivity which enable them to connect and exchange data.
We see innovation as a key factor to economic growth. We believe here in Bahrain, it is a driving force behind the region and for the world. And we're very excited to work with Bahrain and the community to get that job done.
Brinc Batelco IoT Hub. Connectivity changes everything.